used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the ghosts live loud. But sin's like a bird in a chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a NYX Glam bag. Okay, these are bags that I will be personally making and sending out. The cost of each glam bag is $15. I will show you 2 examples of what you will get in your glam bag, and I will annotate the prices as I show the items up here in the upper corner. So these are your glam bags. They come in little bags like this in either gold or pink, and so you get 5 NYX items and a bonus item. The bonus item may be anything. Like in this bag, the bonus item is some eyelashes. So you'll get a set of eyelashes. You will get a NYX, you could possibly get all the glam bags. They have different things in them, okay? You can possibly get a NYX shadow stick, and this is in blackout. And the price of the shadow stick is right here. You can get a NYX Incredible Waterproof Concealer. And this is a pencil. This would actually be really good for doing your eyebrows. It is in beige, and that is the color right there. And every item is brand new and sealed, okay? This is not nothing I done pulled from out of anywhere. You can get, this is the NYX High Voltage Lipstick. This one is in, the color of this one is Stone. And that is like a what do you call it? Neutral color. It is a neutral. So that is that. And this one, it is also a NYX Baked Eyeshadow. And, oh, sorry guys. NYX Baked Eyeshadow. And this is in the color Ambrosia. That is very, very pretty. Okay. And also in this bag, you have an NYX Powder Blush, and this is in Rose Garden. Okay, so these are all the items you would get for $15 in a glam bag, plus the eyelashes. Again, they are $15. You can either go to my website, divalicious.com, and order. I will put all the information down below in the beauty bar, or you can just email me and you can place an order. That is a sample of one glam bag. Here's a sample of another glam bag. Your extra item is a navy blue sparkly fingernail polish. Again, here's a NYX Soft Baked Eyeshadow, and this one is in Snowstorm. Okay, you have a NYX High Definition Shadow Stick, and this is in Flush. You will receive a High Voltage Lipstick, and this lipstick is in the color Playdate. It's a pretty lavender color. You may get a NYX Sunkissed Radiant Finishing Powder, and this is in Sunkissed. And then again, here is a blackout eyeshadow stick, and it's like that. So in this package, it was 2 eyeshadow sticks and a baked eyeshadow, a bronzer, and a lipstick, and a fingernail polish. So all of these items you will get in your glam bag for $15. This is similar to a monthly subscription package, something comparable to Ipsy. The only difference is the makeup is NYX. All of it will be NYX except for your extra item. And your extra item may be NYX. It just depends on, you know, once I count up my glam bags and what have you. So, again, they're $15 a piece. You get at least 5 NYX items in each bag. One moment, you guys. Okay, sorry about that. I didn't have any memory and I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, so you will receive at least 5 NYX items, maybe 6. And personally, I would prefer if you would like to order, if you would email me. The reason being is because I like to know what a person likes, okay? And so, again, it's similar to Ipsy Lip Monthly. The only difference will be that I won't automatically charge you or whatever. I will send out a reminder. Just say you order on, what's today? July 2nd. You order today and say, okay, Cece, I want a glam bag. I send you the glam bag. And on August 1st, I will send out a reminder and ask you if you would like a glam bag for the month. If not, that's fine. If you say, well, yes, I would like it, then I will make it up and I will invoice you either through PayPal or Square. If you order on the website, it's the same thing. I will still send out the reminder. I will still ask you about it. If you see the only difference between me and Lip Monthly or whatever is, like I said, number one, they are all NYX items except for your extra item. And number two, if you just say you saw an eyeshadow you liked, if you got the baked eyeshadow and you said, see, I really like that baked eyeshadow, can I get another one? And if it is available, yes, you can get another one in your next month's subscription bag, or you can buy it separately. And if you buy it separately, you can either get it that day or you can get it, you know, with your next glam bag. So you would get like, was it 6 items? You would get 7 items and you would just pay the difference. You know, it's a much more personal service. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I'm not going to take back returns. Oh, Cece, this lipstick don't match me, or this. I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm not going to do that. Because, for one thing, you know that any place else you couldn't do it. You can personally email me and say, hey, see, I do love your service and everything, but orange is not my color. Like, because me, orange is not my color. I can't do nothing with no orange lipstick. I have tried various colors of orange lipsticks because I thought it would look good against my skin tone. No, it don't work for me. So if you email me and you say, see, I love my bag, but I can't do the orange lipstick, okay? You know, please don't send that again. I will not send you another orange lipstick, okay? That's the difference between me and Ipsy and Lip Monthly. Your orders will be filled by myself or Omaria. I will email you shipping, everything. You know, it is really a personal service, okay? And again, if it's certain things that you want, if you want repeats, if I have them available, yes, you can get repeats. That's not a problem. You would just email me and say, hey, see, can I have a repeat of the eyeshadow? Also, before your order, if you are a person, I know it's a person that I really watch on here, and she only wears lipstick. She does not put anything on her face or any of that. She just wears lipstick and maybe a little eyeliner. For her, if she were to email me and say, hey, see, you know, it's such and such, I only wear lipstick and eyeliner. Her bag would have nothing in it but lipstick and eyeliner. Or, you know, maybe the shadow sticks that can be used as an eyeliner. It would be something that she could use. It would not just be a bunch of blush, bronzer, foundation. She's not going to use that. It's obsolete. So if you want, you know, just say that you ordered a bag and you said, see, can I have all eyeshadows? I could make that happen. Lip Monthly and Ipsy is not going to make that happen for you. So that is the difference between their service and my service. And the bags, again, are $15, and I will include all the information down below. The retail price of the bags are about $25 to $30 in all honesty, because if you buy NYX, you know that you cannot get an NYX item unless it's on clearance, and it's not going to be $3. It might be $3, but yeah, it's going to be beat up and it's going to look like it was $3. So my items are all fresh looking. Nothing's broken on them or anything like that. So with that, I want you to have a beautiful, blessed day. If you guys like this hair, I really, when I first put it on, y'all, I was like, okay. Y'all, I look like Aunt Esther. I am not lying. I look like Aunt Esther. But anywho, I worked with it and fluffed it and played with it and everything, and I really, really like it. So stay tuned for Wednesday, Wiggy Wednesday, for the review of this wig, and all the information about the glam bags are down below. Please support your girl. Thank you. I want y'all to have a beautiful, blessed day. I want you to remember to tell somebody you love them, and always, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.